Well, high five. Yeah, let's go.
I just.
Yeah.
Shut up. Put those up there. I don't care. Don't care. You're still
Going on.
Wait, what?
My favorite rocket ship.
Go through the skies, little Einstein. Woo!
This is what my
Okay.
Party grouper. You put.
No, guys, this one is like this. There you go. Oh my god, that's it. No, we're going on a trip. What they want me with Eden Curly Fry. Big bad guys.
What was that?
I'm gonna sit by me. I'm gonna need to like and I'm gonna go off right?
No, I have my own YouTube channel. I have my own YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Little Einstein. Woo, woo. Come aboard. Get ready.
But you just got smushed.
Oh, he got it. He got it. Hey, what's up?
We got another trip.
Little Einstein. Come aboard. Get ready to explore. Whoop.
Caitlin, be quiet.
I ain't the only one.
She's not loud.
I'm loud.
I have to get my.
I think you got it right there when you were boom.
Pause it.
Woo! Yeah, hit your elbow. 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 Watch him whip. Watch him walk away. Now watch him whip.
Oh my.
Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him.
Don't put it on YouTube.
Trip in a favorite rocket ship, going through the skies. Little Einstein, climb aboard.
Get ready to explore.
Here's some more exercise. Little Einstein.
Watch him whip. Watch him night. Watch him whip. Watch him night. Watch him. Watch him.
She shook my feet.
Never play. Watch him night. Watch him whip. No. Watch him night.
Watch him win.
No. That was Dr. Jordan.
I'm gonna see if I can do some Zelda videos for y'all.
See if it's going for you.
So I'm gonna see if I can record some
if there is a video, like if there is a game that's on phone, okay? If I have enough space, I will play it. Put it in the comments below, and I'll see if I can play it.
Oh, rap it, girl, rap it. Preach it. Preach it.
Shut up. And please subscribe. Thank you.
Dolly.